Hello and welcome. Today we will do a short meditation to deal with anxiety. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Try to imagine these scenes while you continue to breathe in slowly and calmly. See yourself relaxing by a beautiful, calm lake. The breeze softly blows over the lake, and you watch the thousands of tiny ripples it creates on the surface of the lake. Your surroundings here are so calm and pleasant that it brings a feeling of complete peace that washes over your entire body and mind. You breathe in deeply and allow the peacefulness to fill you. You notice the birds singing in the trees, softly chirping and singing songs of their simple happiness. Take the time now to release any worries, any disturbing thoughts, any sadness you may be feeling. Let those feelings float up, out and away. Floating far away, whatever has happened today that has bothered you, it is time to let that go. Whatever happened yesterday or last month which has bothered you, it is time to let that go. Know that you are really in control of your mind and your body. You can choose to allow these bothersome emotions to leave. In doing so, you will free up space in your heart and mind for positive things to come. Life is all about creating what you want and choosing good thoughts that make you feel good. When you focus on the positive, you get more positive experiences in your life. Releasing any negative thoughts serves like an umbrella on a rainy day. Sure, the rain is there, but it doesn't have to affect you. In your mind's eye, picture yourself now in a stormy, rainy situation. As you open up your umbrella of positivity, you will see how you are really protected from all that is going on outside. You are safe. You don't have to be a part of rainy difficulties. It truly is your choice how you react to whatever comes your way. Know that you have all the tools you need within. Just choose to use them. You can see your life from a happy perspective. Worry, disturbing thoughts, or sadness are choices of thoughts you think, and you can simply say no to them. Release all the things that have been stressful to you, and you can make peace with yourself. Make peace now with the amazing person that you truly are inside. Nurture yourself with your loving thoughts. Release any negative images or ideas about yourself. You have a choice in what you believe. Your mind is your greatest asset and your best tool. Now, take a deep breath. Allow good feelings to fill up your heart and your mind. Peacefulness and calm are all around you. Open your eyes when you are ready and stretch fully.